Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Zengo wallet application on your iPhone. To download the Zengo application on your iPhone, start off by going to your App Store and tap it on. You'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Go to the search box at the top and type in Zengo and search. This one's the app that we are looking for. Simply tap it on and tap on the Get button to begin the downloading process on your iPhone. Before downloading an application, make sure that it is connected to a strong internet. Once it is, you'll be able to download the app smooth and easy. Once the application has been downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. Now, simply tap on the Skip button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. Go ahead and type in your email in the first text box and get started. That is how you'll be able to download Zengo wallet on your iPhone. How to download Zengo application on your Android device. Open up your Play Store first in order to go ahead and download the application. Make sure you're connected to a strong internet. And once you are, go to the search box at the top and type in Zengo and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. This one's the app that we are looking for. Zengo wallet is a non-custodial mobile cryptocurrency wallet. If you'd like to download the application on your smartphone, simply tap on the install button in green. The application has now begun to download. Wait for a while, and once the application has been downloaded, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download Zengo wallet on your Android device. How you can easily create Zengo wallet account. To do so, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Zengo wallet application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once the application completes the download and install process, launch it open. The first interface of Zengo wallet will look like this. Tap on the Continue button and in the Let's Get Started page, go ahead and type in an email address you'd like to get started with. Enter a valid email address that you have an access to. After you are done, tap on Continue. You'll now need to verify your email. Tap on Open My Email. Log into your email inbox that you are signing up with. Open up the email that you received from Zengo and click on the link. After you are done, tap the Continue button on the next page. You'll now need to secure your account with Face ID. Tap on Enable Face ID if you are on an iOS device and tap OK. Now, select how you'd like to get started. You can select any one options from the display. You can start off by buying a cryptocurrency, receiving crypto and NFTs, or simply choose the last option to explore the app. Allow necessary permissions for the app, and then there is how you have successfully created a Zengo wallet account. I hope you learned how you can easily sign up or create a Zengo wallet account in a few simple steps. How you can easily log into your Zengo wallet using your Zengo wallet application on your mobile device. First, make sure you have the Zengo wallet application downloaded on your preferred device. If not, go and tap open your Play Store or your App Store and search for Zengo wallet. And make sure to get the app downloaded first. Once you've got the app, tap on it to launch open it. Now, tap the Continue button and it'll take you to the main interface from where you can easily get started or sign up for Zengo wallet. If you don't have an account, you'll need to type in your email address in the first text box. If you already have an account, type in your existing account's email address and then tap Continue at the bottom. Now, it'll ask you to verify your email. Open up your email inbox, tap on Open My Email and tap on the email service you're trying to log in with. Open up the email received from Zengo and tap on Tap to Confirm button. Now, go ahead and enable Face ID or one of your security methods for your device, and you'll be able to log into your Zengo wallet quick and easy. How to sell Bitcoin on Zengo. Simply launch open your Zengo wallet application and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap the Action button or the circle at the bottom of the screen. From the pop-up, tap on Sell. Now, select the crypto asset you'd want to sell. Here, let me tap on Bitcoin. Remember that in order to be able to sell, you'll need a US, SEPA, or UK bank account. Select the currency you'd like to receive in return and tap on it. Now, on this page, enter the amount you'd want to sell. If you have enough funds, you'll be able to see the next button at the bottom. Simply tap on it and Enter your billing address. Once you are done entering the amount you would want to sell, you'll be taken to a new page. On the next page, select your provider, enter your billing address, and enter the verification code sent to your email. Once your sale is approved, your funds will be transferred directly to your bank account. That is how you can easily sell Bitcoin on Zengo. How to buy Bitcoin on Zengo. If you are looking for a way to buy Bitcoin on Zengo, then follow these quick steps. Open your Zengo application and log into your account, or simply go visit zengo.com on a web browser. Once you're logged into your account, from the first interface itself, you'll be able to see a buy button. If you don't see it there, tap on the little circle at the bottom of the screen and tap on the buy button. From the crypto list, tap on Bitcoin. Here are some providers that you can select from. Select either Banza or MoonPay and tap on continue button at the bottom. It'll now take you to a web page according to the provider that you've selected. Since I selected Banza, it is taking me to zengo.banza.com. Now, in the first drop down, select your currency you'd like to spend. Enter the amount you'd like to spend, and then on the next field, you'll be able to see the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive. Under payment method, select one of the payment options and tap on create order at the bottom in order to purchase Bitcoin on Zengo. After your purchase is approved, you'll be able to receive Bitcoin in your Zengo wallet. How to find your wallet address on Zengo. Here's how you'll be able to view your wallet address on Zengo. Tap open your Zengo application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. Once you're logged in, if you'd like to transfer your coins to another wallet, then you'll need to know your wallet address. All you need to do, simply go ahead and tap on the Actions tab at the bottom. Now, from this page, go and tap on the Receive button. Once you do that, go and select any one coin, and you'll be able to see your wallet address for the particular coin. You can share your address with your friends if you'd like to receive Bitcoins or any other cryptos from your Zengo wallet. You can also copy the address and send it to your friends. You can also see your address QR code in the display. You can now enter the address in a different wallet or exchange to send your crypto to your Zengo wallet and much more. That is how you'll be able to find your wallet address on Zengo. How to delete your Zengo account. If you'd like to delete your account for Zengo, then follow the steps. Tap open your Zengo application to launch it on. Make sure you're logged into it. And from the home page of Zengo, tap on the account button with a human figure in it at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you do that, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a delete account button. Tap on delete account. In the pop-up that appears on the display, tap on delete in order to confirm your selection. Soon after your Face ID has been recognized by your phone, your account will be deleted. You can no longer use your old Zengo address to receive funds. If you'd like to use Zengo again, you'll need to delete the app and reinstall it again, which means you'll need to get rid of the application. To do so, simply press hold the application for some while and tap on Remove App. In the pop-up, tap Delete App and tap on the Delete button one more time. The application will be deleted from your iPhone. That is how you'll be able to close your account or delete your account for Zengo. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.